Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the topic of Hurricane Milton, a powerful storm currently heading for Florida's west coast. While many are asking what category it is, the reality is that the category alone doesn't tell the full story. Let's break it down and see why Florida has bigger concerns than just the storm's category. Hurricane Milton, more than a number. Hurricane Milton has been fluctuating in strength over the past few days, reaching as high as a Category 5 before slightly weakening to a Category 4. But here's something important. Even though the category has dropped, the storm remains incredibly dangerous. Meteorologists use the Saffir-Simpson hurricane wind scale to rank hurricanes by wind speed, with categories ranging from 1 to 5. However, this scale only measures wind speed and doesn't consider other deadly factors like storm surge, rainfall, and flooding, all of which are serious threats with Milton. Why storm surge is the real threat? In Milton's case, experts are especially worried about storm surge. A storm surge happens when strong winds push ocean water onto the land, causing flooding. This surge can be more deadly than the wind itself, especially in low-lying coastal areas. And unfortunately, storm surge doesn't factor into the hurricane category system. As of now, Hurricane Milton's wind field, the area impacted by its winds, is growing larger. The storm is expanding as it approaches Florida, which means more people will feel its effects. This includes heavy rain, strong winds, and most concerning of all, massive storm surges. A hurricane unlike any in living memory. Meteorologists are comparing Milton's potential destruction to hurricanes from as far back as 1848 and 1921. This could be one of the most destructive hurricanes Florida's west central coast has ever seen. Milton's wind field is expected to double in size by the time it makes landfall. So, while the eye of the storm may hit one area, the effects will be felt far beyond that point. Winds, rain, and storm surge will affect areas well outside the storm's direct path. Breaking down the Saffir-Simpson scale. Now, let's quickly explain the Saffir-Simpson scale. Category 1. Wind speeds between 74 to 95 miles per hour. Some damage to homes and power lines. Power outages last a few days. Category 2. Wind speeds between 96 to 110 miles per hour. Major roof and siding damage. Power outages last for several days to weeks. Category 3. Wind speeds between 111 to 129 miles per hour. Devastating damage, major tree fall, and loss of power and water for weeks. Category 4. Wind speeds between 130 to 156 miles per hour. Catastrophic damage. Homes can lose roofs or walls, and power outages last for months. Category 5. Wind speeds over 157 miles per hour. Total roof and wall collapse in many homes. Long-term power and water loss, leaving areas uninhabitable for weeks or months. How much damage could Milton cause? The damage from Milton will depend on several factors: where it hits, how strong its winds are, and the impacts of storm surge and flooding. As of the latest forecast, Milton is expected to make landfall as a Category 4 hurricane with wind speeds near 130 miles per hour. If it does hit at this strength, expect catastrophic damage. Homes could lose roofs or walls, trees will be uprooted, and power outages could last for weeks to months. Florida's west coast may face life-threatening flooding and widespread destruction. In conclusion, it's not just about the category. While it's easy to focus on Hurricane Milton's category, the size, storm surge, and flooding potential are what make this storm a serious threat. Even if the wind speeds drop, the overall impact of the storm will be devastating. So, if you're in the path of this hurricane, be prepared. Listen to evacuation orders, stay informed, and stay safe. That's it for today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.